Okay, it's Friday, beginning of October. I think it's the 5th. But this is where we're at. I'm glad I came up a day early. It rained quite a bit last week, and some of the tarps got blown off. I couldn't put the tarp on as good as I had it last time, due to just, you're trying to get home on a Sunday and you don't want to drive in the dark. It's just constant. So a lot of water got inside, especially on this side, as you can see, and on this corner. The walls inside are dry. I don't see any. Still didn't look damp. On the outside, it may be damp. So I got all the tarps out. I took the tarp off the top. The sun's finally up. It's still breezy. Not too cold anymore. I took off the gloves because this morning it was cold when I got here. All right, I just went ahead and I blew the floor down again. It's almost dry. The sun's kicking pretty good. I got my Ryobi. This thing's 200 miles per hour. It's the craziest thing. I got this at a tag sale for $5, and works pretty good. It was drying up pretty good, but I had to go back and hit some of the puddles again and spread it back out. I think this time, once that sun hits it, it should just dry it right up. So definitely want to get this weather tight. Hopefully next weekend I'll have a roof on here. But right now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut out the windows. Basically, I got a little Bosch. This thing's great for doing trim. About 80 bucks in the store. It's great. I brought my bigger router as well, just in case this thing does have any troubles. From now on, I'm trying to bring two of everything, backups. I have a lot of battery power stuff, but I'm bringing extras because when that compressor crapped out on me, I was screwed. So I also grabbed a new one. This one is a 3-flute. So it's a trim bit. Basically what happens is, let me see if I can show you on this side. Put that in your router. You're going to stick it through the hole. Let me show you over here. I'll demonstrate it. So basically, I'll drill a little hole here, and I'll get on one side, stick this through, and then I'll just follow. This has a little wheel on it, and it'll just follow the frame of the window. Just follow it right around, and it'll cut it right out, and it'll be the perfect fit. So let's get to it. Then packed us a lunch. Peanut butter and jelly. 2 of them. One for me and some for Justice. I don't know if you can see her. She's sitting right there staring at me.
Can't wait to see what that one is. 1045 XLO.
Alright, we're about to cut this window out. I switched up the routers to a little bit more powerful one, and let's see what happens. Much easier with this one. It's a beauty. Day 2. Today's Saturday. starting to put on the roof. There's one thing I hate doing is climbing up high. I'm not afraid of heights, I'm afraid of falls. Alright, we're starting to burn the midnight oil here. It's getting dark. Jennifer's still cracking that whip. We got this much done on this side. That's missing because I think I'm going to add that little overhang in the front. So maybe tomorrow if it's nice, I don't know. Right now we're working on this side. We haven't shown too much because you've seen the little bit of footage of me putting the plywood on the roof. It's just repeat the process over and over and over. But it's time consuming. Gotta keep making cuts and stuff. And yeah, it's getting dark. We didn't get as much done as we wanted to, but we're trying. That's the end of this episode, folks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Next week, we'll finish up what I wanted to do this week. Here's a few pictures of the trail cams, and the metal roof has been ordered. Hopefully Home Depot doesn't fail me, and I get it on time. Thanks for watching.